Are you managing or launching a new Sharia compliant fund? Or converting your existing fund to Sharia compliant to attract more investors? Then you know that managing Sharia compliance is a demanding and ongoing process. There's a lot of new information to learn. Financial ratios and screens, non-permissible activities, purification, and there are several rule books to deal with if you want to scale the assets under management. The available solutions until now offered a very small investable universe, reducing your opportunity size. They're always based on one specific Sharia board that may not match your own. Tricky companies with non-permissible activities pass through the automated screens and have to be divested later. When you face challenges or have questions, it takes days to get an answer. All this ends up having an impact on your operational cost and performance. Ideal Ratings launched its Sharia compliant service to address the requirements of the growing Islamic finance market. Our approach has been to empower our clients to easily and accurately implement their Sharia board's rulebooks by supplying them with thoroughly researched data using state-of-the-art technology. Several reputable Sharia consulting firms audit our data to ensure their clients' compliance. Starting from more than 42,000 securities from 106 countries, Ideal Ratings offers the largest, most accurate Sharia-compliant universe, covering more than 95% of the global market capital. Ideal Ratings service delivers the ultimate solution to the Islamic finance market participants. We start by ingesting data from multiple providers, including world leaders like Thomson Reuters. Then we use proprietary algorithms and software to scour all the public information and news items about a given company to determine if any of its activities should be researched further for noncompliance. We track 30 sources of Sharia-related revenue streams, such as a detailed classification of all types of Sukuk and Islamic finance-based transactions, and all non-permissible revenue lines of business, such as alcohol, pork, stem cell research, and others. Our researchers then scrutinize the output of these algorithms for accuracy checks and to analyze these companies' numbers and lines of business. Finally, that data is securely delivered over a secure internet connection to our subscribers, empowering them to customize their universe, audit their funds and indexes, purify their investments, and 25 other functions that make creating and managing a Sharia-compliant fund or index a simple, methodical process. Let's take a quick tour of the service to see how easy it is to use and how it can immediately benefit you. Ideal Ratings makes creating, editing, and using multiple rulebooks a breeze. A rulebook contains all the guidelines provided by your Sharia board. The service comes with most of the widely used rulebooks, which you can use as is or edit any of its guidelines to suit your own needs. You can also define other investment guidelines, such as institutional investors guidelines or retirement accounts guidelines. Instantly create an investable universe based on your rulebook and investment strategy. Notice that due to the detailed research, the size of the universe in the GCC is double the automated screens. You can select different geographies, market caps, or more than 30 other criteria to narrow down your search. You can also see how the selected securities fare against other rulebooks. What used to take days of Excel analysis is now available with one mouse click. Export the compliant universe to Excel to do further analysis. Import your funds by copying them from Excel and selecting their rulebook. Ideal Ratings instantly calculates their compliance status and displays the compliance report, which you can use to rapidly understand the non-compliance reason. You also can print this report and send it to your auditors on a monthly and quarterly basis. Ideal Ratings comes with the most commonly used global index performance data, which you can use to benchmark your fund's performance. Ideal Ratings has 12 reports you can run against your funds for compliance analysis and risk management. Creating a purification report used to be a laborious task, requiring calculating non-permissible income, holding period, and compliance status. With Ideal Ratings, you simply enter the purification period and you instantly have an accurate report with a total purification amount as well as a detailed breakdown of purification amounts per company and per share. Ideal Ratings manages all aspects of a fund's Sharia compliance, resulting in increased investor confidence, which leads to faster fundraising, improved performance, and it reduces operational costs. Thank you for your time. To contact us, to learn more, or to sign up for the Ideal Ratings service, please click the links on the screen.